Hello ulit sa inyo lahat. Ang topic natin today is how to create custom ribbon or tabs. Custom tabs in a ribbon. So let's say we have this file and we have this ribbon and we have this quick access toolbar, but we wanted to create a new tab containing all our favorite features or commands. This is our quick access toolbar and we'll just have to click more commands. Now in our dialog box, we will choose customize ribbon. And then we will have to create new tab. Let's create, let's choose first the new tab and then let's rename it. Let's give it a name to nyo, but for this example, I'll just use my name. I would know that this contains all my favorite commands in Excel. So I'll just click OK. And I also have the option to rename the new group. So if I would like to rename it, you can create a symbol for that. Say you create the symbol, you choose a symbol, and then at the same time, you will have rename it. I'll just choose the chart name. And then I'll add commands to my new group. If I would go to all commands, I'll choose the chart commands that I normally would use. Let's say this one, grid lines, chart grid lines. I'll just click add. And then let's look for some more, let's say, search 3D models, because sometimes we could probably be using insert combo or line for bar chart, insert combo chart, and probably insert line or area chart. So those are the type of charts that we normally use. So we'll just click OK. And tab that we have created under my name is already exist here at the top. And then ito yung mga commands that we added dun sa name under chart. So that's one way of creating your own tabs and also applying or selecting the different commands that you choose often inside Excel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.